Hey everyone, welcome back to Gigabits. Today, we're comparing Skool and System.io, two popular platforms designed to help entrepreneurs, course creators, and online businesses thrive. I've had the chance to explore both, so let's break it down based on key features, pricing, and user experience, and I'll give you my take on which might be the better choice for your needs. Key features. Let's start with Skool. It's a community-based platform designed to organize courses, facilitate group discussions, and build tight-knit communities. The standout feature is its simple yet effective interface that combines learning management with a social media vibe. Members can interact in a Facebook-style feed, which makes engagement feel natural. However, Skool focuses solely on community building and course hosting, so it's not an all-in-one platform. System.io, on the other hand, is an all-in-one marketing platform. It includes tools for building sales funnels, hosting courses, email marketing, and even running affiliate programs. It's designed to handle the entire customer journey, from lead generation to course delivery, and offers a much broader feature set than Skool. If you're looking for more than just a community or learning management, System.io covers a lot of ground. Pricing Skool keeps it simple with a flat $99 per month fee. That includes unlimited members and courses, which is excellent for growing communities without worrying about scaling costs. There's no free tier, but you can try it with a 14-day trial. System.io, meanwhile, offers more flexible pricing. It starts with a free plan that includes up to 2,000 contacts and basic features, making it a great entry point. Paid plans start at $27 per month and scale up to $97 per month depending on your needs. For creators on a budget, System.io provides more flexibility. User experience using Skool is incredibly intuitive. Its clean, minimal interface makes it easy for both creators and members to navigate. Course management is streamlined, and engagement tools like leaderboards add a fun gamification element. However, it lacks advanced marketing tools, so you'll need to use additional software for things like email campaigns or sales funnels. System.io, while feature-packed, can feel overwhelming for beginners. Its interface is functional but less polished, and mastering all the tools can take time. However, the integrated approach means you don't have to juggle multiple platforms, which can save a ton of time and money. Conclusion. So, which platform is right for you? If your main goal is to build an engaged community and host courses, Skool is the perfect tool. It's simple, effective, and community-driven. On the other hand, if you're looking for a complete marketing and business solution, System.io's all-in-one functionality is hard to beat, especially for small businesses and solopreneurs. The choice ultimately depends on your needs. Go with Skool for community and System.io for versatility. That's it for today's comparison. Let me know in the comments which platform you prefer, or if you have questions about either one. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Gigabits, and hit the notification bell for more reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.